that you are on the final part of your holiday, I just want to mention a few further safety points. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened for just a while longer and until the captain has switched the seatbelt sign off. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times in case of any turbulence. If you plan to sleep, please keep your seatbelt visible so we don't need to disturb you. Thomson Airways is a non-smoking airline and smoking is not permitted at any time. There are sensitive smoke detectors in all the toilets, and keeping your safety in mind, we have a zero tolerance policy towards disruptive behaviour of any kind. We also ask you to refrain from consuming your own alcohol on board. We have 5 toilets available for your use, 2 toilets at the rear, 2 in the middle and 1 at the front. Please use the toilet bins provided for the disposal of all hand towels and nappies, as these can cause the toilets to block. To avoid disturbing customers seated at exit rows, please do not use these areas to cross over from one side of the aircraft to the other. For those passengers who don't have a passport issued by one of the EU countries, you will need to fill in a landing card for UK immigration. Please let one of the team know if you require a landing card. Our cabin service will commence shortly, and we will tell you more about this in just a few moments. In the meantime, please sit back, relax and enjoy the final part of your journey. Thank you.